bago kayong lahat yun. Alright. All her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Her lips, I can kiss them all day if she let me. Her laugh, she gets what I think is so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyong lahat dahil nag-effort kayong pumunta dito. Thank you so much and mahal na mahal ko kayo.
And syempre doon sa video.